Good afternoon. Today we're going to just look at the doffing of the PPE. The most important thing is to make sure that we do not contaminate. So the way we remove the PPE is how we're going to protect ourselves from contracting any virus that may have come into contact with our personal protective equipment. So we're going to start by washing our hands first before we deal with that doffing of the PPE. In case we are not close to a sink with water and soap, then a hand sanitizer is what we are going to use to make sure that we clean our hands.
Thank you.
Okay. So we rub our hands together and then we rub in between the fingers. We make sure that we attend to each and every finger. With the hand sanitizer, it evaporates. Once it's completely evaporated, then you know that your hands are clean and you are ready to continue with your procedure. Mr. Daniel Mohoti is going to help me to make sure that I get my PPE removed correctly and that the inner part is going to be outside so that the outside part that is contaminated, it is not exposed. We are going very slowly.
Here we go. Then I touch the inner parts.
So we try by all means to touch only the inside of the overall. You must mind the fact that the gloves will be the last thing to be removed. And the gloves should not touch my clothes underneath the PPE. Then we dispose our coverall suit. Then I wash my hands again. Now I'm going to assist my buddy in taking off his PPE as well. So we wash hands first. Make sure that our hands are completely clean. And then we repeat the same procedure of starting with the zip, slowly, 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 until the zip is off. Then I put my hands inside the coverall and then push the coverall down with the inside part being left outside because that's the cleaner part, removing the sleeves and then going down again with the body that is being undressed, helping also, lifting up the leg and then removing, making sure that this coverall suit is not spilled all over the place, and then it goes to the biohazard waste. And from there, then it will be hand washing so that we can now remove our masks and the gloves. So before we touch our head, we make sure that our hands are cleaned first. And then from there, put one hand behind the pinna of the ear and hook the mask, slowly removing it peacefully and then throwing it in the bin. Now, you're going to take a grip of the glove, lift it up, make sure that the glove is going all over the hand with the outside part in, so that the inner part is the one that is exposed. And I hold that inner part with the other gloved hand. And then I use my 2 fingers, put under the hand, make sure that I flip it over the glove so that the inner part is the one that is outside, which is the clean side of the glove. And then my biohazard waste is ready. We use a cable tie to close this bag, and then this goes to a biohazard bin. Thereafter, I'm ready to wash my hands and make sure that I'm clean enough to continue my journey.